Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to automatically translate any chat in your WeChat without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Go ahead and click on Me. Go ahead and click on Settings. Then go ahead and click on the search icon right here. Then go ahead and type in Translate. Then go ahead and select Translate right here. And make sure this particular, so on getting here, go ahead and click on Text Translate Into. Click on here. Choose your default translated language right here. So as for me, I'm choosing English language. Once you choose your language, click on Done. Lastly, make sure you turn on auto-translate messages received in chat. Make sure this is turned on. And with that, whatever message you receive in different language is going to be automatically translated to your default setting language right here in your WeChat chat. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.